From the moment we opened our eyes to this universe, humans have possessed an insatiable thirst for knowledge, a yearning to decode the intricate workings of the cosmos. This pursuit of understanding led to the birth of science, and it all began millennia ago with the brilliant minds who dared to question, to explore, to dream. We'll walk in the footsteps of intellectual giants, pioneers who, with rudimentary tools and boundless curiosity, laid the very foundation of modern science. Get ready to be amazed by their ingenious inventions, groundbreaking theories, and the sheer brilliance that echoed through the ages, shaping the world we live in today. Our first stop takes us to ancient Greece, the land of philosophers and mathematicians, where we meet a man whose name has become synonymous with scientific breakthroughs, Archimedes of Syracuse. Picture yourself in ancient Greece, where the bustling city of Syracuse buzzes with life. Amidst the marketplace chatter and the echoes of philosophical debates, Archimedes, a man of extraordinary intellect, grapples with a royal problem. King Hero II suspects that his new crown, a symbol of his power and prestige, is not entirely made of gold. Could a cunning goldsmith have replaced some of the precious metal with silver? The king turns to Archimedes, his most trusted advisor, to unravel the mystery. Now, Archimedes was a man of meticulous observation. He knew that gold was denser than silver, meaning a certain weight of gold would occupy less space than the same weight of silver. But how could he measure the volume of the intricately crafted crown without melting it down? Lost in thought, Archimedes decides to take a relaxing dip in the public baths. As he lowers himself into the water, he notices the water level rising, spilling over the edge. And then it hits him. The volume of water displaced is equal to the volume of the object submerged. Eureka! He cries out, a word forever etched in the annals of scientific discovery. Armed with this realization, Archimedes devises a brilliant experiment. He weighs the crown and then weighs an equal mass of pure gold. Next, he submerges both the crown and the gold separately in water, carefully measuring the volume of water displaced by each. To his astonishment, the crown displaces more water than the gold, proving that it is indeed not pure gold. Our journey through ancient science takes us to Kos, in the azure Aegean Sea, where Hippocrates, the father of medicine, revolutionized healing. In a time when illness was seen as divine wrath, treatments included prayers and rituals. Hippocrates advocated for rational, observational medicine. He believed diseases had natural causes. His holistic approach emphasized observation and record-keeping. The Hippocratic Oath remains a timeless code of ethics. Today it stands as a beacon of ethical conduct in medicine. Chapter 3, Ptolemy, Mapping the Cosmos. Our quest for knowledge now transports us to the vibrant intellectual hub of Alexandria, Egypt, where we encounter a scholar who dared to chart the heavens, Claudius Ptolemy. Imagine the night sky, a tapestry of twinkling stars, a source of wonder and mystery for millennia. Ptolemy, a man of insatiable curiosity and meticulous observation, dedicated his life to unraveling the secrets of the cosmos. Armed with the astronomical data collected by his predecessors, particularly the Babylonians, and his own observations, Ptolemy set out to create a comprehensive model of the universe. His magnum opus, the Almagest, became the definitive astronomical text for centuries. In the Almagest, Ptolemy proposed a geocentric model of the universe, with Earth at the center, orbited by the Sun, Moon, planets, and stars. This model, while later superseded by Copernicus's heliocentric model, was remarkably accurate for its time, able to predict the positions of celestial objects with remarkable precision. Ptolemy's genius extended beyond astronomy. He was a polymath, a master of multiple disciplines, including mathematics, geography, and optics. He developed groundbreaking theories on map projections, creating maps of the known world with astonishing accuracy, considering the tools available at the time. His work in optics explored the properties of light, including reflection, refraction, and color. Ptolemy's contributions to science, particularly in astronomy and geography, were nothing short of groundbreaking. Though his geocentric model was eventually replaced, Ptolemy's meticulous observations, mathematical models, and scientific rigor continue to inspire awe and admiration, cementing his place as one of the giants of ancient science. Chapter 4, Hypatia, the woman who embraced the stars. Our journey through time now leads us to the bustling intellectual center of Alexandria, Egypt, in the 4th century AD, where we meet a remarkable woman who shattered glass ceilings in the pursuit of knowledge. Hypatia, a beacon of learning in a turbulent era. Imagine a time when women were often relegated to the domestic sphere, their intellectual pursuits discouraged, if not outright forbidden. Yet, in this era, Hypatia emerged as a shining exception, a testament to the power of intellect and the pursuit of knowledge. Born into a family of scholars, Hypatia received an exceptional education, excelling in mathematics, astronomy, and philosophy. She became the head of the Neoplatonic school in Alexandria, attracting students from far and wide, eager to learn from her brilliance. Hypatia's lectures were legendary, her insights into complex philosophical and scientific concepts illuminating the minds of her students. She was a gifted mathematician, making significant contributions to the fields of algebra and conic sections, her work influencing mathematicians for centuries to come. Her passion for astronomy led her to improve upon Ptolemy's astrolabe, an instrument used to measure the positions of celestial objects. Hypatia's legacy extends beyond her intellectual contributions. She was a symbol of learning and enlightenment, a champion of reason and rational inquiry in an era often marked by superstition and conflict. Tragically, Hypatia's life was cut short by religious fanatics who saw her as a threat to their dogma. Despite her untimely demise, Hypatia's legacy as a brilliant mathematician, astronomer, and philosopher continues to inspire generations of scholars, a testament to the power of intellect and the enduring pursuit of knowledge. Chapter 5, Alhazen, Illuminating the Nature of Light. Our final destination takes us to the Golden Age of Islam, a period of unprecedented intellectual flourishing, where we encounter a polymath who revolutionized our understanding of light and vision, Ibn al-Haytham, known in the West as Alhazen. Imagine a world where the nature of light and vision was shrouded in mystery. Some believed that our eyes emitted rays that touched the objects we saw, while others thought that objects emitted copies of themselves that entered our eyes. Alhazen, a man of insatiable curiosity and rigorous experimentation, dared to challenge these prevailing notions. Through meticulous observation and ingenious experiments, Alhazen demonstrated that light travels in straight lines and that we see objects because light reflects off them and enters our eyes. This revolutionary insight formed the foundation of modern optics. He built a camera obscura, a dark chamber with a small hole that allowed light to pass through, projecting an inverted image of the outside world onto the opposite wall. This simple yet profound invention demonstrated the principles of light and image formation. Alhazen's groundbreaking work, the Book of Optics, became a cornerstone of optical theory for centuries. Translated into Latin, it influenced European scholars like Roger Bacon and Johannes Kepler, paving the way for the invention of eyeglasses, telescopes, and microscopes. Alhazen's contributions extended far beyond optics. He was a true polymath, excelling in mathematics, astronomy, physics, and philosophy. His rigorous approach to scientific inquiry, his insistence on testing hypotheses through experimentation, and his emphasis on the importance of doubt and skepticism laid the groundwork for the scientific revolution that would transform the world centuries later. Chapter 6, A Legacy Etched in the Stars. As our journey through time comes to an end, we are left with a profound sense of awe and gratitude for the intellectual giants who came before us. From Archimedes' Eureka moment to Alhazen's groundbreaking work on light, these ancient scientists, driven by an unquenchable thirst for knowledge, laid the foundation for modern science. Their discoveries, inventions, and theories, often made with limited tools and resources, continue to shape our world today. They remind us that the pursuit of knowledge transcends time and place, and that the human spirit, driven by curiosity and a desire to understand the universe, can achieve extraordinary things. I encourage you to delve deeper into the lives and works of these fascinating figures. Explore their stories, their struggles, their triumphs. Let their legacy inspire you to question, to explore, to never stop learning.